Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to underline, highlight, and change text color in Google Docs. Now this tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this. So, let's get started. First of all, please make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date before proceeding so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Also, do not worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, we can get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome and in your search bar, either on this one or this one, type in Google Docs. As you can see, once we hit enter, it gives us tons of results to choose from. However, we would like to click on the first link. Now once you're in this tab, click on Go to Docs, which will open a new tab, opening this interface right here. Now, if this is your first time using Google Chrome or Google Docs, it may require you to sign in using your Google account. So, please do. Now, let's create a new document by clicking on this one. You can also choose a resume format, a letter format, or a project proposal, and so on and so forth, but I would like to choose the blank document. Blank document will give you a blank canvas like so. Now, we can start editing our document. Let's say, for example, I type in, "Please subscribe." Now, I would like the "please" to be underlined. To do that, please highlight the text by clicking and dragging on the word, like so. Please ensure that you highlighted all the words that you would like to underline. Once you have highlighted the word, navigate to the top portion of the screen, which will give you a ton of options. But let us focus on this option right here, which says underline. From this, you can click on it once, and as you can see, it puts an underline on the highlighted word. Now, if you do that on a whole sentence, if we highlight a whole sentence, we can click on underline, and as you can see, now the whole sentence is underlined. It is because it will affect what is highlighted. Now, how do we highlight? Highlighting is pretty simple as well. Let's say, for example, I would like to put a yellow highlight on the subscribe word. We would like to highlight the word that we would like to highlight, and then click on this button right here, which is highlight color. And now you can select the color of the highlight you want it to be. In my case, I would like it to be a bright yellow. Now as you can see, the word subscribe is now highlighted. I can also highlight this word right here using a different color, like so. And now as you can see, we have two colors of highlight in our document. Now, what if I would like the word subscribe to be a different color? Let's say, for example, red. Highlight the word subscribe, and then click on text color, and from here you can choose different colors, but in my case, red will suit it. As you can see, as simple as that, we have changed the formatting of the text. Here we have put an underline, we have put a highlight, and we changed the color of the text itself. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.